Ever get into a slight fender bender while test driving a vehicle and need quality bumper repair fast? That's where we come in. At Teleone Auto Restoration, we offer bumper repair services to dealerships, delivery fleets, and rental companies across South Florida. When running a car dealership, your entire business depends on the condition of your cars. Don't let your representation suffer from a damaged bumper. Put your trust in Teleone, where we've been providing quality repairs and customer service for over 20 years. We take pride in every job we do, regardless of the make and model of your vehicle. Contact us today to take care of your restoration and repair.